Here's the app called Aiuta, your AI stylist. It's quite popular app in this category. Has some growing users, and let's just try it out. So here, for example, this is how it looks like. So I just take my photo, and then this app automatically recognizes all the clothes I'm wearing, and then it just saves them to collection. So you don't need to, so here you can just manually add them. So you can just take a clear photo of the front of the item and unfold it and in good lighting. So you can just take that and take a photo of it, and then it will be added to your collection. So let's try it. So just as an example, so I'll just try to take a photo in here. And then it's just using all these like AI techniques to basically very clearly understand what this item is. So that's the beauty of the app. Or maybe it's just glitched. So as you can see, nope, it's not as good. So all right, so let's try another item. So let's take a photo of this sock. And then you have all these categories in here. So this one kind of works. So yeah, here as you can see, it works nicely. So now it analyzes socks, woolen socks. All right, good. And then you can just try it on. We'll sure try it on. There is a men's collection. There is blazers. There is jackets. There is sweatshirts, hooded jackets. You can then just pick a photo, and then you have generated, and then you can have my photos and generate it with these outfits, where you can just have this virtually try it on. So that's the idea of the app. And then if you want, you can unlock free pro features. So annual plan $90 per year, monthly plan $17 per month, where you can create 60 outfits per month, see how you tweak your look with daily visual styling tips, get unlimited second opinions, add more items to your virtual wardrobe. And then yeah, if you want, you can just delete your data, delete your account. So that's what it is. And that's where you have it.